Plex Smart Manufacturing Platform Online. Training. Introduction to Plex Smart Manufacturing Platform. The Plex Smart Manufacturing Platform is a comprehensive suite of cloud-based solutions designed to streamline and optimize manufacturing operations. It integrates various aspects of manufacturing management to enhance productivity, improve quality, and increase operational efficiency. Here's an overview. Key features and capabilities. Manufacturing Execution System, MES. Real-time data collection tracks production processes in real time, including machine performance and operator activities. Production scheduling helps optimize scheduling to balance workloads and reduce downtime. Quality management monitors and manages quality control processes, ensuring product standards are met. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP. Integrated Business Processes covers financials, inventory management, supply chain, and procurement. Real-time analytics provides insights into operational performance, helping with decision-making. Supply chain management. Supplier collaboration enhances communication and coordination with suppliers for better inventory management and reduced lead times. Demand planning uses historical data and predictive analytics to forecast demand and optimize inventory levels. Industrial IoT, IIoT. Sensor integration collects data from connected devices and sensors to monitor machine health and performance. Predictive maintenance uses data analytics to predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance proactively. Data analytics and visualization. Dashboard and reporting provides visual insights into key performance indicators, KPIs, and other critical metrics. Advanced analytics uses data to uncover trends, optimize processes, and drive continuous improvement. Cloud-based solution. Scalability easily scales with business growth without the need for extensive on-premises infrastructure. Accessibility provides remote access to data and systems from anywhere, supporting flexible work environments. Benefits. Enhanced efficiency streamlines operations by integrating various manufacturing processes into a single platform. Improved quality ensures higher product quality through better monitoring and quality control measures. Increased flexibility adapts to changing business needs and scales with growth. Real-time insights offers immediate visibility into production and business metrics, aiding quick decision-making. Use cases. Discrete manufacturing, ideal for industries like automotive, aerospace, and electronics that require detailed tracking and control over individual parts and assemblies. Process manufacturing, useful for industries like food and beverage or chemicals that need to manage complex recipes and batch processes. Key features and capabilities of Plex Smart Manufacturing. Plex Smart Manufacturing is a comprehensive solution designed to optimize manufacturing processes through digital transformation. Here are some key features and capabilities. 1. Manufacturing Execution System, MES. Real-time production tracking, monitor production in real time, including machine performance and worker activity. Quality management, track quality metrics and manage quality control processes to ensure product consistency. Work order management, streamline work order creation, tracking, and completion. 2. Enterprise resource planning, ERP. Integrated financial management, manage financials, including accounting, budgeting, and financial reporting. Inventory management, track and manage inventory levels, including raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. Supply chain management, coordinate with suppliers and manage procurement processes. 3. Advanced analytics. Data visualization, create and view dashboards and reports for insights into production performance, quality, and other metrics. Predictive analytics, use historical data to forecast trends and potential issues, helping with proactive decision-making. 4. IoT and smart manufacturing. Sensor integration, connect and collect data from IoT sensors and devices for improved monitoring and control. Machine learning, apply machine learning algorithms to analyze data, predict maintenance needs, and optimize processes. 5. Cloud-based platform. Scalability, easily scale operations up or down based on demand and business growth. Accessibility, access data and manage processes from anywhere with internet connectivity. 6. User-friendly interface. Customizable dashboards, personalize dashboards to display relevant information for different roles and functions. Mobile access, use mobile devices to access and manage manufacturing data and processes on the go. 7. Compliance and security. Regulatory compliance, ensure adherence to industry regulations and standards through built-in compliance features. Data security, protect sensitive data with robust security measures and access controls. 8. Integration capabilities. Third-party integrations, connect with other systems and applications such as CRM, ERP, and supply chain management tools. API access, utilize APIs for custom integrations and data exchange. 9. Collaboration tools. Communication, facilitate communication and collaboration among team members through integrated tools and platforms. Document management, manage and share documents related to manufacturing processes and operations. Plex Smart Manufacturing and Industry 4.0. Plex Smart Manufacturing is a suite of solutions designed to help manufacturers optimize their operations through the integration of advanced technologies, data analytics, and automation. It aligns closely with Industry 4.0 principles, which focus on leveraging digital technologies to create smarter, more efficient manufacturing processes. Key aspects of Plex Smart Manufacturing in the context of Industry 4.0. IoT integration. Plex Smart Manufacturing incorporates Internet of Things, IoT, technologies to connect machines, sensors, and devices, enabling real-time data collection and monitoring. This connectivity helps in tracking performance, predicting maintenance needs, and optimizing operations. Data analytics and insights. By analyzing data from various sources, Plex provides actionable insights into production processes, quality control, and supply chain management. This data-driven approach helps in making informed decisions and improving operational efficiency. Automation. The platform supports automation of manufacturing processes, from production scheduling to quality management. Automation reduces manual intervention, minimizes errors, and enhances productivity. Cloud-based solutions. Plex Smart Manufacturing is cloud-based, allowing for scalable and flexible deployment. This cloud approach facilitates real-time data access and collaboration across different locations and departments. Advanced Manufacturing Execution Systems MES Plex offers MES capabilities to manage and control production processes on the shop floor. This includes real-time tracking of work orders, inventory management, and production performance monitoring. Integration with other systems. Plex integrates with other enterprise systems such as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, and SCM, supply chain management, ensuring seamless data flow and coordination across the manufacturing ecosystem. Quality management. The platform includes features for quality control, including inspection and testing, to ensure that products meet specified standards and regulatory requirements. Predictive maintenance. Using data analytics and machine learning, Plex helps in predicting equipment failures before they occur, thereby reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Digital twins. Plex supports the creation of digital twins, virtual replicas of physical assets, processes, or systems. This allows for simulation, analysis, and optimization of manufacturing operations. Cybersecurity. Given the increased connectivity and data exchange in Industry 4.0, Plex emphasizes robust cybersecurity measures to protect manufacturing data and systems from potential threats. Integration of Plex Smart Manufacturing with IoT. Integrating Plex Smart Manufacturing with IoT can enhance operational efficiency, provide real-time insights, and enable predictive maintenance. Here's a high-level overview of how this integration can work. 1. Data collection and connectivity. IoT devices. Connect IoT sensors and devices to collect data from machinery, production lines, and other equipment. Data integration. Use IoT protocols and standards like MQTT, OPC UA to ensure seamless data transfer from IoT devices to the Plex Smart Manufacturing platform. 2. Real-time data processing. Data ingestion. Stream data from IoT devices into Plex's cloud-based manufacturing platform. Analytics. Utilize Plex's data analytics tools to process and analyze real-time data, providing actionable insights and trends. 3. Predictive maintenance. Condition monitoring. Monitor equipment conditions using IoT data to predict potential failures before they occur. Alerts and notifications. Configure Plex to send alerts or notifications based on IoT data, enabling timely maintenance and reducing downtime. 4. Enhanced manufacturing execution. Operational visibility. Use real-time data to gain insights into production performance, quality, and efficiency. Process optimization. Implement adjustments and optimizations based on IoT data to improve manufacturing processes. 5. Integration points. APIs. Use Plex's APIs to connect with IoT platforms or middleware that aggregate and process data from various devices. Data synchronization. Ensure data consistency between Plex and IoT systems through automated data synchronization. 6. Security and compliance. Data security. Implement robust security measures to protect data transmitted between IoT devices and Plex. Compliance: ensure that the integration complies with industry regulations and standards related to data security and manufacturing practices. 7. Scalability. Flexible architecture: design the integration to scale with increasing amounts of data and additional IoT devices. Modular integration: use modular integration approaches to easily add or update IoT devices and features. Benefits of using Plex Smart Manufacturing in production. Real-time data visibility. Instant insights: Plex offers dashboards and real-time analytics that provide a clear view of manufacturing operations as they happen. This visibility helps identify issues quickly and allows for timely corrective actions. Enhanced decision-making. Access to up-to-date information supports better decision-making, helping managers and operators respond to changes in production conditions and demand. Enhanced productivity. Process automation. Plex automates repetitive tasks such as data entry, reporting, and scheduling, freeing up employees to focus on more strategic activities. Streamlined operations. The platform integrates various manufacturing functions, example production, inventory, quality control, into a single system, reducing redundancies and improving workflow efficiency. Improved quality control. Real-time quality monitoring. Plex allows for continuous monitoring of production processes and quality metrics, enabling quick detection and resolution of quality issues. Data-driven insights. Detailed data analysis helps identify root causes of defects and implement corrective actions to maintain high-quality standards. Increased flexibility. Adaptability. Plex supports a range of manufacturing processes and can be configured to accommodate different production requirements, making it suitable for diverse manufacturing environments. Customizable workflows. The platform allows for the customization of workflows and processes, ensuring that it aligns with specific business needs and changes in production requirements. Reduced downtime. Predictive maintenance. Plex's predictive maintenance features analyze equipment data to forecast potential failures, allowing for proactive maintenance and reducing unexpected downtime. Real-time alerts. Automated alerts notify operators of potential issues before they escalate, minimizing disruptions and keeping production on track. Optimized inventory management. Real-time tracking. Plex provides real-time visibility into inventory levels, helping to manage stock more effectively and reduce excess inventory. Demand forecasting. The platform uses historical data and trends to forecast demand accurately, ensuring that inventory levels are aligned with production needs. Cost savings. Resource optimization. By improving process efficiency and reducing waste, Plex helps lower production costs and maximize the use of resources. Operational efficiency. Streamlined operations and reduced downtime contribute to overall cost savings, improving the profitability of manufacturing processes. Enhanced collaboration. Unified platform. Plex integrates various departments, example production, quality, supply chain, into a single platform, facilitating better communication and collaboration. Shared information. Team members have access to the same data and insights, improving coordination and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Customization and scalability in Plex Smart Manufacturing. Customization in Plex Smart Manufacturing. Custom dashboards and reports. Dashboards. Plex allows users to design and configure dashboards tailored to specific roles or departments. Users can select widgets, data sources, and visualizations that are most relevant to their job functions. Reports. Custom reporting capabilities enable businesses to generate reports with specific criteria, formats, and layouts. Reports can be scheduled, shared, and exported based on user needs. Workflow and process customization. Workflow automation. Plex provides tools to automate workflows based on specific business rules. This includes configuring alerts, approvals, and task assignments to streamline processes. Process design. Users can define and customize manufacturing processes, including production steps, quality checks, and inventory movements. This flexibility allows for adapting to new products or changes in production methods. User interface and experience. Role-based views. Customizable user interfaces can be set up based on user roles. This means different users see interfaces and features that are most relevant to their tasks, enhancing usability and efficiency. Personalized settings. Users can personalize their settings, such as language preferences, display options, and notifications, to suit their individual needs. Integration with external systems. APIs and connectors. Plex provides APIs and pre-built connectors for integrating with various external systems, such as ERP, CRM, and SCM platforms. Custom integrations can be developed to ensure seamless data exchange and process continuity. Data import-export. Users can customize data import and export processes to align with specific formats or systems, facilitating easier data migration and synchronization. Custom fields and attributes. Data fields. Plex allows the addition of custom fields and attributes to capture unique data points relevant to specific manufacturing processes or products. Product and inventory attributes. Custom attributes can be defined for products and inventory items, enabling more detailed tracking and reporting. Scalability in Plex Smart Manufacturing. Cloud-based scalability. Elastic infrastructure. Plex operates on a cloud-based infrastructure that can scale resources up or down based on demand. This elasticity ensures that businesses can handle increased workloads without needing to invest in physical hardware. Automatic updates. The cloud environment supports automatic updates and upgrades, providing access to the latest features and improvements without disrupting operations. Data management and performance. High-performance data handling. Plex's architecture is designed to manage large volumes of data efficiently. Performance optimization techniques, such as data indexing and caching, ensure quick access to critical information. Data analytics and reporting in Plex Smart Manufacturing. Plex Smart Manufacturing offers robust capabilities for data analytics and reporting that can help optimize manufacturing operations. Here's an overview of what you can typically expect. 1. Data collection and integration. Real-time data collection. Plex integrates with various manufacturing systems to collect real-time data from production lines, equipment, and sensors. Data integration. It consolidates data from different sources, including ERP systems, MES, manufacturing execution systems, and IoT devices. 2. Data analytics. Dashboards and reports. Plex provides customizable dashboards and reports that allow users to visualize key performance indicators, KPIs, production metrics, and quality data. Advanced analytics. You can use advanced analytics tools to perform trend analysis, root cause analysis, and predictive maintenance. Plex often includes features for statistical analysis and machine learning models. Data mining. Plex allows for data mining to uncover patterns and insights from large volumes of manufacturing data. 3. Reporting. Custom reports. Users can create and schedule custom reports to meet specific needs, such as daily production summaries or compliance reports. Compliance reporting. It supports compliance with industry regulations by generating reports that meet standards like ISO, GMP, or FDA requirements. Ad hoc reporting. Plex offers tools for ad hoc reporting, enabling users to generate reports on the fly based on current data. 4. Performance monitoring. Real-time monitoring. Plex enables real-time monitoring of production processes, equipment performance, and resource utilization. Alerts and notifications. Users can set up alerts for deviations from expected performance or quality issues, allowing for proactive problem resolution. 5. Integration with other tools. By tools integration, Plex often integrates with business intelligence by tools like Power BI or Tableau for enhanced data visualization and reporting capabilities. APIs. Plex provides APIs for integrating with other data systems and analytics platforms, allowing for more comprehensive data analysis. 6. Predictive and prescriptive analytics. Predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data, Plex can help predict future outcomes, such as equipment failures or production bottlenecks. Prescriptive analytics. Plex provides recommendations for optimizing manufacturing processes based on predictive insights. 7. User-friendly interface. Intuitive dashboards. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, making it easier for users to access and interpret data. Mobile access. Plex often supports mobile access, allowing users to view and interact with analytics and reports on the go. Plex Smart Manufacturing for supply chain optimization. 1. Real-time data visibility. End-to-end tracking. Plex enables real-time tracking of products from raw materials to finished goods. This end-to-end visibility allows companies to monitor every stage of the supply chain, ensuring that operations are running smoothly and any potential delays or issues are identified early. Dashboard and reporting. Interactive dashboards provide an overview of key metrics such as production status, inventory levels, and order fulfillment. Customizable reports allow users to drill down into specific data points for more detailed analysis. 2. Predictive analytics. Demand forecasting. By analyzing historical data, seasonal trends, and market conditions, Plex's predictive analytics tools can forecast future demand with greater accuracy. This helps in aligning production schedules and inventory levels with anticipated demand, reducing the risk of overproduction or stockouts. Risk management. Predictive analytics can identify potential supply chain disruptions before they occur. For example, It can alert you to possible delays from suppliers based on their historical performance and current conditions. 3. Integrated supply chain. Unified platform. Plex integrates various functions like procurement, manufacturing, inventory management, and distribution into a single platform. This unified approach helps in eliminating silos and ensuring seamless data flow between different parts of the supply chain. Process coordination. Integration with other systems like ERP and CRM ensures that all supply chain processes are aligned. This coordination improves efficiency, reduces redundancy, and enhances overall operational effectiveness. 4. Automated workflows. Order management. Automation of order processing, from order entry to invoicing, reduces manual effort and speeds up the order fulfillment process. Automated workflows help in managing order statuses, updating inventory levels, and generating alerts for any issues. Inventory control. Automated inventory management helps in maintaining optimal stock levels. Automated reordering triggers when inventory falls below predefined thresholds, ensuring that you never run out of critical supplies. 5. Supplier collaboration. Supplier portal. Plex provides a portal for suppliers to access real-time data related to orders, inventory levels, and performance metrics. This transparency fosters better collaboration and communication between buyers and suppliers. Performance tracking. Tools for tracking and analyzing supplier performance help in identifying reliable suppliers and addressing any issues with underperforming ones. This ensures that supply chain partners are meeting agreed-upon standards and timelines. 6. Real-time monitoring and alerts. Exception management. Real-time monitoring tools track deviations from expected performance metrics. For example, if a production line is running slower than planned or if an inventory level is lower than expected, alerts are generated for immediate action. Proactive issue resolution. Alerts can be configured based on specific criteria, such as critical stock levels or delayed shipments. This proactive approach allows teams to address issues before they impact the overall supply chain. 7. Data-driven insights. Advanced analytics. Plex's analytics tools provide insights into supply chain performance, such as cycle times, cost per unit, and supplier lead times. Analyzing these metrics helps in identifying inefficiencies and areas for improvement. Scenario planning. What-if scenarios can be modeled to assess the impact of various factors on supply chain performance. This helps in preparing for potential disruptions and making informed decisions about changes in processes or strategies. Why choose ProExcellency for Plex Smart Manufacturing Platform online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Plex Smart Manufacturing Platform online training could be advantageous for several reasons. Expert instructors. ProExcellency often employs industry experts with extensive experience in Plex Smart Manufacturing, ensuring that you receive high-quality training from knowledgeable professionals. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs are typically designed to cover all critical aspects of the Plex platform, including configuration, operations, and optimization, which can help you gain a thorough understanding of the system. Hands-on learning. ProExcellency may offer practical, hands-on sessions that allow you to work directly with the Plex system, providing you with real-world experience. customized training. They might provide tailored training solutions that align with your specific business needs and industry requirements, making the learning process more relevant and applicable. Flexible scheduling. Online training through ProExcellency often includes flexible scheduling options, allowing you to learn at your own pace and convenience. Ongoing support. ProExcellency may offer continued support even after the training is complete, helping you with any questions or challenges that arise as you implement your new skills. Certification. Their training programs might include certification options that validate your skills and knowledge, which can be beneficial for career advancement and credibility. Positive feedback. ProExcellency may have a history of positive feedback from past participants, indicating a successful track record in delivering effective training. Thank you.